YouTube? It's your boy Mass Money. I'm back, man. Took a couple days off, but I'm back at the exposing these Furus, man. This is one of the biggest Furus around YouTube right now, dude. Name's Landard. Welcome to Furus Gone Wild, Part 3, Episode 3, the new series. So basically, he has a Discord called Stop Method. You know, I tested it out, man. You know, this guy's showing these videos. Oh, he makes 20,000 a day and all this crazy Furu crap, man. These guys always do to like lure, young people in, or even old people that fall for this stuff, man. Guys, they don't show how much they're making. They don't show their gains or nothing. They don't even show their entries and exits, man. Whatever. I was on the dude's Discord, right? And he does be getting some plays, but he'll be like in a play like real quick, and he only makes like 3 or 5% gains. Whatever. It works for him because he's dumping 20K in one trade. But whatever. That's who knows. That's what he says. Nobody knows for sure. But that would be the only logical thing if you're only aiming for 3 to 4 or 5% gains. So if you see this previous video, you see everybody's getting happy for those crap gains, man. There's much better Discords out there, and I'm gonna do videos and expose them too. And I'm gonna expose them. It doesn't mean I'm gonna say bad shit, but I'm gonna say good things too. The problem with this kid, man, he is rude as heck, bro. I was talking to him in his Discord. He's nasty. His little admins are rude. They're dickheads. I don't like these little cocky dudes, man. Like, I don't like how they treat people. Like, how do you talk to people when people are paying you every month, $150 a month to be in your Discord, and you think you can talk to anybody, especially these young ass little boys, man. These kids are young, man. Taking advice from these kids, man, it just hurts. But anyways, like the dude just would say like off the wall crap. Like he'll just go on like long rants. I'm like, dude, focus on the trading. Focus on to see if there's any more plays. He'll get his play and he's like, all right, I'm done. And then God forbid you miss that play, you're screwed for the entire day. He don't have his little minions in there helping you out and say, hey, oh, look for this possible setup or nothing. No, it just little Girl Scout cookie bums that follow him, and like you see on his videos, like when he takes those trades, there's like only him talking, right? No, there's people in the background talking, but this kid's like a god at editing, so he can edit out the sounds and do all this weird crap. But whatever, he's good on that. I'll give him that. But as far as the Discord, is not worth no 150, man. But it's up to you guys. You guys can try it out. Make sure you get a refund when you find out that it's cap. Now, tell me if you'll take advice from someone that you think they're killing in the stock market, but they live in a little ass bed in this little ass room. Let's play the video real quick, and I'll show you what I'm talking about.
It's so choppy, but today I'm sure you guys gotta be disciplined and how to be patient on days like today. And here's a live trading video. You think I traded?
Come on, man. Like, you really gonna put someone like this $150 a month? A little ass jit that lives in a little ass bed. Come on, man. I'm done, bro. I'm done. But that's it for now, man. Leave a comments. Good comments, hate comments, I don't care. Subscribe, don't subscribe. And remember, if it don't make money, it don't make sense. Peace out.